How to change or remove subtitles in Hi TV mobile app. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Hi TV mobile app. Now open up any K-drama. Now at the top of your screen, you will see subtitles. Tap on it. Now if you want to change subtitles, you can change from these options. If you want to remove subtitles, tap on subtitles again and tap on no subtitle. So by following this simple step, you can change or remove subtitles in Hi TV mobile app. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.